हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपका स्वागत है ज्योमेट्रिक्स क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स में। मैं हूं एसके झा। आज मैं आप लोगों को पढ़ाऊंगा क्लास 10th मैथमेटिक्स चैप्टर नंबर 1 रियल नंबर्स। तो चैप्टर नंबर 1 रियल नंबर्स, यहां पे मैं बेसिक से हाई लेवल पे ले जाऊंगा। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले डिजिट्स क्या होता है। इन हिंदू अरेबिक सिस्टम वी यूज 10 सिंबल्स 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। These are called digits. There are 10 digits. Next, numbers. Group of digits are called numbers. Group of digits. Numbers. 1 digit number, 2 digit number. 1 digit number starts from 1 to 9. Largest 1 digit number is 9, smallest 1 digit number is 1. 2 digit numbers 10 to 99. 3 digit numbers 100 to 999 etc. सबसे दुनिया में जो सबसे पहले डेवलप हुआ वो था नेचुरल नंबर्स। तो ये नेचुरल नंबर्स क्या होता है। Natural numbers, those numbers which are used for counting the objects. चीजों को काउंट करने के लिए जो नंबर इस्तेमाल किया जाता है उसको बोलते हैं नेचुरल नंबर्स। तो हम काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं 1 2 3 4 5। तो ये नंबर्स नेचुरल नंबर्स कहते हैं। नेचुरल नंबर को हम काउंटिंग नंबर्स भी बोलते हैं। काउंटिंग नंबर्स। काउंटिंग नंबर्स क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि इसे चीजों को काउंट करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है। तो दोज नंबर्स विच आर यूज्ड फॉर काउंटिंग द ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल नंबर्स। नेचुरल नंबर्स को पॉजिटिव इंटीजर भी बोलते हैं। एंड दीज आर डिनोटेड बाय n। n इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. What is the smallest natural number? 1. What is the largest natural number? Infinity. These are collections, so we put in curly bracket. Natural numbers are also called positive integers, and positive integers are denoted by z plus. There are various subparts of natural numbers. First is even natural numbers. Even natural numbers, those natural numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even natural numbers or even positive integers. Even positive integers, for example 2 4 6 8 10 and so on. The general form of even natural number is 2n, where n belongs to any natural number. n belongs to n. If we put n equal 1, 2 1 ja 2. If we put n equal to 2 2 ja 4. If we put 3, 2 3 ja 6. If we put 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10 etc. So general form of even natural number is 2n. Next is odd natural numbers or odd positive integers. Odd natural numbers or odd positive integers. 1. If we subtract 1 from these even numbers, 2 minus 1 1, 4 minus 1 3, 6 minus 1 5, 8 minus 1 7, 10 minus 1 9, and so on. So general form is, if general form of even natural number is 2n. So general form of odd natural number is 2n minus 1, where n belongs to any natural number. If we put n equal 1, 2 1 ja 2 minus 1, that is 1. If we put n equal 2, 2 2 ja 4 minus 1 3, 2 3 ja 6 minus 1 5, 2 4 ja 8 minus 1 7, 2 5 ja 10 minus 1 9, and so on. Next is prime numbers. Prime numbers, those natural numbers which have exactly two distinct factors. Those natural numbers which have exactly two distinct factors. Factors means exact divisor of a number. Two distinct factors, that is 1 and number itself. For example, 2. How many factors are there? 1 and 2. 1 and number itself. 3, 5, 7, 11. You should know at least 25 prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. There are 25 prime numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Total prime number between 1 and 100 are 25. 2 is only even prime number. Others are odd. Next is composite numbers. Those natural numbers which have at least 3 distinct factors. Kam se kam minimum number of factors are 3. Start from 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. How many factors are there? Factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. So minimum number of factors of composite numbers are 3. Next, perfect square number. Perfect square, those natural numbers which are a square of other natural number. For example, 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256. You should learn up to 30 square. So these are natural numbers: even natural number, odd natural number, prime number, composite number, perfect square number. Next is co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers or relatively prime numbers. A pair of natural numbers whose HCF is 1. A pair of natural numbers whose HCF is 1. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 के साथ किसी भी नंबर को ले लो 7, कोई भी दो प्राइम नंबर ले लो 3, 5, दो लगातार नंबर ले लो 15, 16. अब यहां पर देखोगे कि 15 और 16 दोनों में से कोई भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, लेकिन ये को प्राइम है. को प्राइम का डेफिनेशन ये है कि दो नेचुरल नंबर जिनका HCF 1 हो, कॉमन बीच भी इसके इन दोनों के बीच में 1 के अलावा और कुछ कॉमन नहीं हो, ऐसे नंबरों को प्राइम नंबर कहते हैं. जनरली बच्चे समझते हैं को प्राइम का मतलब कि प्राइम नंबर होना चाहिए. ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है, दोनों प्राइम भी हो सकता है. एक प्राइम 5 and 8, एक प्राइम नंबर और एक नॉन प्राइम भी हो सकता है. बेसिक बात यह है कि दोनों का जो है हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर 1 होना चाहिए. ऐसे नंबर को प्राइम नंबर कहते हैं. जीरो के इन्वेंशन के बाद एक और नंबर सिस्टम में ऐड हो गया नेचुरल नंबर में, जिसका नाम है होल नंबर सिस्टम. होल नंबर्स. द कलेक्शन ऑफ all natural numbers along with zero are called whole numbers. The collection of all natural numbers along with zero are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by W. So W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers are also known as non-negative integers. Whole numbers are also known as non-negative integers. होल नंबर्स के बाद जब नेगेटिव नंबर्स आया तो एक नया नंबर सिस्टम का नाम दे दिया गया, वो है इंटीजर्स. Collection of all natural numbers zero and negative of natural numbers are called integers. Integers are denoted by Z. Denoted by Z. So Z equal to ... -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, ... till infinity. These are negative integers. These are positive integers. If we include negative integers and 0, we get non-positive integers. If we include 0 and all positive integers, these are non-negative integers. Now we write even integers. Those integers which are divisible by 2. Those integers which are divisible by 2 are called even integers. Example, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, ... These are even integers. General form of even integer is 2n, where n belongs to z, means n is any integer. Even integer, after that odd integer. Those integers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd integers. Next is odd integers. Those integers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd integers. ... -5, -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, ... These are odd integers. Next, non-negative integers. Non-negative integers means integers which are not negative. So 0 and all positive integers are called non-negative integers. These are also known as whole numbers. Non-negative integers are 0 and all positive integers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are non-negative integers. Next is non-positive integers. Non-positive means which are not positive. Integers which are not positive. Non-positive integers zero and all negative integers are non-positive integers. ... -3, -2, -1, comma 0. These are non-positive. Here we see that 0 is neither negative, 0 is neither negative nor positive. It means 0 is non-negative as well as non-positive. 0 is non-negative as well as non-positive. इंटीजर्स के बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर सिस्टम है जिसमें फ्रैक्शंस वगैरह सब इंक्लूड हो जाते हैं। इसको बोलते हैं रैशनल नंबर्स। नेक्स्ट नंबर सिस्टम इज रैशनल नंबर्स। Those numbers which can be written in the form P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime integers and Q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by Q. Q equal to all natural numbers, suppose 5, integers 0, -3, and fraction 1 by 2, 22 by 7, 3 by 5, 0.3, 0.5 bar, etc. These are rational numbers. 5 is a rational number. 0 is also a rational number because 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. -3 is also a rational number because -3 can be written as -3 upon 1 in the P by Q form. 0.3 is also a rational number because 0.3 can be written as 3 upon 10. 0.5 bar can be written as 5 upon 9. Decimal expansion of rational number. Decimal expansion of a rational number. There are two types of decimal expansion of rational number. One is terminating decimal expansion, other is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So first, terminating decimal expansion. A rational number of the form P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime, Q not equal to 0, is said to be terminating decimal expansion if the prime factorization of denominator is of the form 2 power m into 5 power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. The decimal expansion of a rational number P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime is said to be terminating if the prime factorization of Q is of the form 2 power m into 5 power n, where m and n are non-negative integer. Terminating decimal expansion, the decimal expansion of a rational number p by q where p and q are co-prime and is said to be terminating if the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 power m into 5 power n where m and n are non-negative integers. तो अब ये कंडीशन 1 मार्क का 10th में बोर्ड में पूछा जा सकता है कि राइट द कंडीशन फॉर टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन. तो आप कंडीशन में ये लिखेंगे. दूसरी बात कि ऐसे भी पूछा जाता है कि ये बताओ कि टर्मिनेटिंग है या नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग विदाउट एक्चुअल डिवीजन. यू कैन से सपोज 3/8. 3/8 can be written as 3/2 power 3. Denominator is of the form 2 power m into 5 power n. So this is terminating. 7/25. This is 7/5 raised to power 2. Here 2 raised to power, you can write 2 raised to power 0. So this is terminating decimal expansion. Suppose you have 15/600. Is it terminating? First of all, we see that p and q both are co-prime. 15 and 600 are co-prime? No. So first we cancel the numerator and denominator by 3. 3 5 ja 15, 3 2 ja 6, 200, 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja 20. This is 1/40. If we find prime factorization of 40, 8 5 ja 40, 2 power 3 into 5. This is in the form 2 power m into 5 power n. After cancelling the numerator and denominator, you can say that this is terminating or non-terminating. If the prime factorization of denominator is of the form 2 power m into 5 power n, then we can say that this is terminating, otherwise non-terminating repeating decimal. Second part is the decimal expansion of rational number is either terminating or non-terminating repeating. Second is non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating. The decimal expansion of a rational number p by q where p and q are co-prime q not equal 0 is said to be non-terminating repeating or recurring repeating if the prime factorization of q means denominator is not of the form 2 power m into 5 power n where m and n are non-negative integers. For example, 1/3. If you divide 1/3, you will get 0.3333 and so on. This can be written as 0.3 bar. This is non-terminating but repeating. If you divide 1/7, then suppose 1 divided by 7, decimal 0, 7 1 ja 7, 3 30, 7 4 ja 28, 2 0, 7 2 जा 14, 6 60, 7 8 जा 56, 4 40, 7 5 जा 35, 50, 7 7 जा 49. Next one. Now it will repeat after this 0.142857 bar. So 1 by 7 is non-terminating but repeating. Next number is irrational number. Numbers which cannot be written in the form P by Q. कुछ नंबर्स ऐसे हैं जिसे आप P by Q के फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकते. सारे नंबर्स P by Q के फॉर्म में नहीं लिखे जा सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल √2, √3, √5, √6, √7. नेक्स्ट इज irrational numbers. Numbers which cannot be, numbers which cannot be written in the form P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime integer and Q not equal to 0 are called irrational numbers. For example √2. जब आप 2 का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि वो चलता ही जा रहा, कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता. इसका मतलब कि डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ √2 इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन रिपीटिंग, नाइदर टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन रिपीटिंग. √3, √5, पाई 0.1 0 1 00 1 000 1 4 times 0 ... These are non-terminating. Why pi is non-terminating and non-repeating? Because the decimal expansion of pi is neither terminating nor repeating. So pi is irrational. Some important facts between rational and irrational is: sum or difference of a rational and an irrational is always irrational. For example 2 plus √3. Here 2 is rational, √3 is irrational, but 2 plus √3 is irrational. 2 minus √3. 2 is rational, √3 is irrational. So difference between rational and irrational is irrational. Pi minus 22 by 7. This is also irrational because pi is irrational but it is rational. So you can't say that pi is 22 by 7 minus 22 by 7 equals 0. 0 is rational number. This is wrong because exact value of pi is not 22 by 7. 22 by 7 is approximate value of pi. So pi minus 22 by 7 is an irrational number. Second is product and quotient of a rational and an irrational is always irrational number. A product and quotient of a rational and an irrational is always irrational. Suppose 3 is a rational number, multiply by root 2 irrational number, you will get irrational. But if you multiply 0 into root 2, you will get 0. 0 is rational number. So this statement is wrong. So this statement will be correct when if we add non-zero rational, means you can't take 0. If you take 0 as a rational number and multiply with any irrational number, it will get 0, which is rational. So product and quotient of a non-zero rational and an irrational number is always irrational. 1 by root 2, 7 by root 5, etc. इरेशनल नंबर के बाद हम चलते हैं लास्ट, जो कि है रियल नंबर्स. नेक्स्ट इज रियल नंबर्स. Those numbers whose square is non-negative. Those numbers whose square is non-negative or collection of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers, and collection of real numbers are denoted by capital R. Real numbers are denoted by capital R. Next is imaginary numbers. ये नंबर्स के बारे में आप 11th क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. अभी जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन दे देता हूँ. Those numbers whose square is negative. For example, under root -1, under root -2, under root -3, etc. In 11th class, you will study about under root -1 is represented as iota. Bas. Next or last, this is complex number. नंबर सिस्टम का सबसे बड़ा नंबर कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. इसके बारे में भी आप 11th क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. ये कॉम्बिनेशन है रियल और इमेजिनरी नंबर का। तो नंबर्स ऑफ द फॉर्म a plus iota b, where a and b are real numbers, are called complex इस तरह से इस चैप्टर का जो रिवीजन पार्ट था वो कंप्लीट होता है। अब मैं लास्ट में एक लाइन कहना चाहूंगा कि कर्म करोगे तो फल मिलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल मिलेगा। और ज्योमेटिक्स चैनल पे आपको मैथमेटिक्स के हर मुश्किल से मुश्किल क्वेश्चन का हल मिलेगा।